Introducing the Gyroor G5, the ultimate off-road all-terrain hoverboard, featuring a 600-watt motor and 6.5-inch high-quality rubber tires. The Gyroor G5 ensures a smooth ride on any terrain: gravel, sand, grass, dirt, even uphill. Equipped with a UL-certified self-balancing system and full 360-degree rotational mobility, the Gyroor G5 is easy to learn and safe for all ages. Pair the Gyroor G5 to your mobile device using the Gyroor app to play music on built-in high-quality Bluetooth speakers and customize the colorful LED lights on the hoverboard and wheels. Powered by an incredible 144WH UL2271 battery, the Gyroor G5 can run up to 3 hours at a maximum speed of 8 miles per hour. All purchases come with a 1-year warranty on the hoverboard and 6 months warranty on the battery. A guaranteed perfect gift for everyone. This is the Gyroor G5. Say hello to the future.